Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. Today I'm going to show you something that I've been sharing with some of my students here at eMusic. We're going to play some chords like G major, C major, and D major, and we're going to play notes leading up to those chords. I call this the folk guitar chord lead-in and walk-up lesson. We'll start with notes like this, and then we'll follow with a chord. And we'll do that through the three chords and come back to our original starting chord. Here's the basics of what we'll play. In order to play that, we started with our open low E string, go to the 2nd fret for F sharp, and then the 3rd fret, G. Now we want to use the index finger for the note at fret 2 so we can lead right into our chord like that. So we've got our 2nd finger at fret 3, and then we can put our chord in like that. So it's open, 2, 3, bass note, and then the chord. The next thing we'll do is go to the open A string, and we'll use the 2nd finger to go to fret 2 this time. 3rd finger for fret 3, and that's all on the A string, then the C chord. So that's chord. Next, we'll go to our D string, play it open, and hammer on to fret 2 like that. Now let that string sound, and then hammer on like that, and then come off of it and play it open. So this is what we have. Follow that with a D chord. We'll end by going to the A string, and we'll play and pull off of fret 1 on that A string like this. Now I'm pinching that string, so we're going to play that note, pinch it, and then go to a G note just before we play our G chord. So that's So use the index finger to play and pinch off of fret 1 on the A string. Use the 2nd finger or middle finger to play the G note, and then follow with the G chord. So here's our basic concept. Now once we've worked a while with the basic concept, we want to start trying to strum with it, like this. Now for that, I did my walk up on the low E string. So that was, I played the bass note, down, up, bass, down, up, bass. Then went to the A string, C chord, now when I go to that bass note, I'm just lightly picking it, right? So it's like that. So it's next part. Real easy to do. Well, my friends, that's my easy folk guitar chord lead-in and walk-up lesson. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.